He started to tell Sophia about his life. He told her about his family. Many years ago, he had a happy family. He shared a lot of time together, but one night a man called Van Graff took Christopher, so his mother felt so sad. And one day she was beheaded. So Simon went to another city and he found Christopher, who bit him. So he immediately became a vampire. For that reason, Simon followed Christopher, because he thought that he ruined his life. Simon told Sophia that he doesn't kill the people, that only leave them weak but alive. After a restless night, Simon found a letter from Christopher saying that he knew where he was and that he was going to kill him. So Simon felt scared about Sophia's life. Evening, Simon was at Sophia's house and told her that he dug a trench with stakes in the front to make Christopher fall in it. He asked her the favor for serving as bait for Christopher so he could fall into the trench. Then Sophia went to the park and she met Christopher. He asked her to kiss his teddy bear, but instead of that she took his toy and ran away. Then Christopher realized that Simon was there, and they started to fight, and Simon pushed Christopher into the trench and he died. The next day, Simon and Sophia met in the park. And he told her that he was going to kill himself because he felt very sad. He decided to wait until the dawn came. The two embraced tightly, and Simon was fading into Sophia's arms while the sun rose.